Hello everyone. In this video lecture we are going to discuss about the concept of linear integrated circuits and its application. In particular we are going to see about one specific form of linear IC called operational amplifier IC. So this lecture contains basic information about operational amplifier, ideal characteristics of operational amplifier, and AC and DC characteristics of operational amplifier. So in general, the concept of linear integrated circuits or the applications of linear integrated circuit plays an important role in developing some kind of applications like audio and radio communication and instrumentation application, instrumentation control based application, and some medical electronics based application. So in these areas of application, the concept of linear integrated circuit plays an important role. This lecture contains a specific linear IC. This lecture contains an information about a specific linear IC called op-amp or operational amplifier. So operational amplifier, why the name? The operational amplifier means by using the operational amplifier we can able to perform some arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and we can able to perform integration, differentiation. Also we can use the operational amplifier as amplifier. It can be able to amplify AC as well as DC signals. So that's why it is called operational amplifier. So by using the operational amplifier we can perform some mathematical computations or mathematical operations. Also we can use this as a amplifier. It can be used to amplify DC as well as AC signals. So in general the operational amplifier is a kind of a direct coupled high gain amplifier, usually consisting of one or more differential amplifier followed by a level transistor and output stage. So இதில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா இந்த ஆப்ரேஷனல் ஆம்ப்ளிஃபையரோட இன்டர்னல் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஹவு இட் வில் பி அப்படிங்கிறத பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ இன் ஜென்ரல் இந்த ஆப்ரேஷனல் ஆம்ப்ளிஃபையர் கன்சிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் இந்த இன்டர்னல் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஆஃப் ஆப்ரேஷனல் ஆம்ப்ளிஃபையர் கன்சிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் 4 stages. And the first 2 stages of operational amplifier indicates the differential amplifier stage. So on the first stage, the first 2 stage enna appadina differential amplifier stage. So these 2 differential amplifiers are cascaded appadina it is connected one after another, and the characteristics eppadi irukum appdinu kettina it is a high gain and high input resistance. So we will see why it is high gain and high input resistance அப்படிங்கறத we will see in the later slides. And this is the first 2 stage, and the third stage is called as buffer or as well as a level shifter. The third stage la enna irukum appadina we have 2 elements. One is called buffer and another one is called level shifter. And the buffer is nothing but it is a emitter follower with a high input resistance. So in the emitter follower or buffer oda characteristics eppadi irukum appadina it has a high input resistance in order to prevent the loading of inputs. So the input oda loading அப்படிங்கறத அவாய்ட் பண்றதுக்காக என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா the input resistance will be high. And the level shifter எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா in order to shift the DC to various levels. And the fourth stage enna appadina it is a output stage, and normally the output stage of operational amplifier provides a low input resistance. So this is the structure of operational amplifier. So basically the operational amplifier அப்படினு எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா it is a high gain and a direct coupled amplifier, and it consists of 4 stages. So the first 2 stages are called as a cascaded differential amplifier stage, and the third stage is called buffer as well as level shifter, and the fourth stage is called output stage. And the ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டேஜோட characteristics எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். And this point already I told you. So by using the operational amplifier we can able to perform operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, differentiation and integration. Also it is used to amplify the low level DC and AC input. So by using the operational amplifier we can amplify DC as well as AC input, and we can perform these kind of operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and integration. And basically it is a high gain direct coupled amplifier, and it consists of 4 stages. எத்தனை ஸ்டேஜ் இருக்கு? 4 stages. The first 2 stages என்ன அப்படின்னா differential amplifier, and third stage என்ன அப்படின்னா emitter follower or buffer with a level shifter, and fourth stage என்ன அப்படின்னா output stage. Okay, so and next we will see the circuit symbol of operational amplifier. So basically the circuit symbol of operational amplifier will be like a triangle with two inputs and one output. So the two inputs are referred as inverting input terminal, and another input is called as non-inverting terminal. So the inverting terminal is indicated as minus symbol. So the inverting terminal அப்படிங்கிறது எப்படி indicate பண்ணிருப்பாங்க அப்படின்னா it can be represented as minus symbol, and the non-inverting terminal can be represented as plus symbol. So it has two input terminal, inverting input terminal and one output terminal. So this is the circuit symbol of operational amplifier. Now let us see the power supply connections. The power supply connections for in order to operate the amplifier, operational amplifier, the power supply connections எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா it should be a dual mode. Okay, so we need to use a dual mode power supply. So already we know that this is called inverting input, and this is called non-inverting input, and this terminal is called what? Output terminal. And we have two supply terminal, and this is called V plus and V minus. So these two, by using these two terminals, we can provide a necessary power supply or necessary power for its operation. So in order to carry out several operations, நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா for these two terminals, seventh and fourth terminal, okay, in the two terminals என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா we need to provide a necessary power supply. So the range வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா power supply ஓட range வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நார்மலாக it will be starting from plus or minus 5 volt and plus or minus 22 volt இருக்கும். So the power supply அப்படின்னு எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா the operational amplifier operates under dual mode power supply. So என்ன power supply அப்படின்னா dual power supply. So one will be act as a V plus and another will act as V minus. So we need to provide two supplies. Okay, one will be positive terminal and another will be negative terminal. So அதோட equivalent circuits நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். So now let us see what are the different packages of operational amplifier. So இப்போ இந்த video lecture, in this video lecture we are going to see one specific IC called IC741. Okay, IC741. So as the name implies, IC741. So IC741. So it has the number 741. இதுக்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா we have some meanings. It has 7 functional pins and 4 input pins and 1 output pin. So the IC741 ஓட package, different types of package தான் அது. So normally these ICs are come under different packages like metal can package, dual inline package and flat package. We have one more package called flat package. So this is the example of metal can package, and this is called a dual inline package, and similarly we have one more package called flat package, and this is the example of 8-pin mini dual inline package. Okay, so this IC is called IC741. So in the IC then IC741 இதோட ideal AC characteristics, DC characteristics தான் நம்ம discuss பண்ண போறோம். Okay, so this IC741 consists of 7 functional pins. So on the 7 functional pins அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா starting from pin number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the 7th pin is called dummy pin. This pin this pin we are not connecting anything, it is simply no connection. So the pin number 8 is called no connection or dummy pin. It has 7 functional pins and 4 input pins. So the 4 input pins are nothing but inverting input, non-inverting input, and we have 2 offset null. Okay, so this is nothing but offset null, and I will explain you why these 2 pins 1 and 5. So these are called 4 input pins and 1 output pins. So the 1 output pin அப்படிங்கிறது it represents the pin number 6. So therefore the IC741 consists of 7 functional pins and 4 input pins and 1 output pins. So and now we have the third package called flat package or ceramic flat package. So these are all the different packages of IC. Now let us see what are the ideal characteristics of operational amplifier. So we know that the operational amplifier consists of two terminals, input terminals V1 and V2. So the V1, two terminals, here at the terminal